so tempted to throw this away. This is 2 baskets of clothes, and then this one right here is my daughter's blanket that the dog Wyatt threw up on, so it's in the hallway. We need to get that out of here. And then I swept and cleaned the hallway, and then that bag right there near Jordan's room is the trash. Did you just pick up clothes and drop it on the floor? Pick that up. No, oh, after I did all this cleaning, you want to put stuff on the floor. No. So I hope you get some motivation out of this video to do your laundry. So I'm still not done. We're not even gonna talk about it. But I have all of these clothes to fold. I've already folded half the basket, and it's boom right here on the bed. It is chilling on the bed, being a good boy today. And yeah, guys, so I hope this motivates you to get some laundry done. How many baskets of laundry? Comment down below if you have a laundry routine. I just feel like I save all my laundry into the weekend, and I really shouldn't do that. I should try to get it done throughout the week. But what I'm finding that I'm doing, honestly, is I'm wearing the same clothes over and over again because that's my go-to. That's what I like to wear. And I have so many extra clothes that I rarely wear. So, eventually, I'll declutter. But today, whatever I'm decluttering, I'm going to set over here on my TV, here on this side. So this is an extra large shirt that I cannot fit anymore. And then this shirt is just not bringing me life anymore. So I finally got a new mirror because this one cracked. This mirror is so cute. I love this mirror.
Yes, sir.
My room, it took forever, but I think it looks good. I moved my bed around, moved my bed over here. I still have to go through these clothes and see what I want, what I don't want, and actually sort them and throw it away. And yeah, I want to replace my mirror because, as you can see, it's broken. Not good. So I posted a story, so if you're not following me on Instagram, follow me at Whitaker's Way. And yeah, now we're about to go to the store. Camera's dying, so I can't bring you guys. So I'm gonna charge you and then do like a clean with me power hour of folding clothes and washing clothes. Yeah, because I'm pretty sure it's gonna take like 2, 3, 4 hours. The reason why I go to laundromats is because it takes only 1 hour and I can double time the clothes. So I used a medium machine and a large, and then I used my wash machine and dryer to do some laundry as well. So it's a clean with me day. Keep on watching if you like this type of content. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, welcome. All right, here's some more clothes that I'm taking downstairs. Here's some clothes that needs to go upstairs, and then all these clothes need to go upstairs too. Here's some clothes that needs to be washed. Here's some clothes that needs to be folded.